Setting up a safe and secure workstation is one of the best ways to protect your test operators from the dangers of high voltage. OSHA requires employers provide employees with working conditions that are free from known dangers. The easiest way to achieve this in the electrical safety compliance industry is to outfit your workstations with safety accessories and personal protective equipment, which is commonly abbreviated to PPE. For this video, we'll show you a variety of safety and PPE accessories you can implement to make electrical safety compliance testing safe while enhancing operator productivity. Protect your operator from electrical shock by enclosing your device under test, or D.U.T. Our enclosures automatically disable the instrument's output when the enclosure door is opened, protecting the operator from electrical shock during testing. To connect the enclosure, plug the 9-pin connector cable of the D.U.T enclosure into the signal input port on the rear panel of your instrument. Using a remote test box, such as our RTB-02, allows a test operator to stand at a safe distance from the test area, while still having the ability to initiate or abort a test. The RTB-02 has 3 LEDs, which display each stage of the electrical safety test. To connect the RTB-02, attach the 2 cables of the RTB-02 to the signal I/Os of the instrument. You'll also need to power on the instrument. Select Setup System, Hardware, and the PLC setting On. Our dual palm remote allows a test operator to perform tests at a safe distance from the device under test. With the dual palm remote, the test operator must use both hands to successfully output voltage. Removing pressure from either of the dual palm remote's buttons will abort the test. To set up, connect the cables of the DPR-01 to the signal I/Os on the rear panel of the instrument. Power on your instrument to enable the 2 settings you will need to successfully use this accessory. First, we will turn on the dual test function. Select Setup System. Next, we will turn on the PLC remote setting. Select Hardware, PLC Remote. Set PLC Remote to On. Now you can select the Perform Test button and load your test file. Use the DPR-02 to initiate a test. Releasing pressure from the DRP buttons will result in an aborted test. Our signal tower light, as part of a safe workstation, provides a clear visual indication of test status to both test operators and bystanders. The tower light must be installed in an elevated position, so it's visible even at a distance. To connect, plug the 9-pin connector of the signal tower light into the signal output port of the rear panel of your instrument. Our e-stop, or emergency stop switch, immediately stops the flow of electrical current to your instrument when triggered. The e-stop provides the fastest way for a rescuer to save an operator from injury. The e-stop can also be used by the test operator to quickly and safely abort a test without causing damage to a device under test. Mount your e-stop to an easily accessible area of your test station that will not be blocked by the test operator. The insulation mat protects the test operator from electrocution by isolating the operator from ground. If the test operator comes in accidental contact with a high voltage output, the insulation mat will not allow a path for the current to flow through the operator. For additional videos to improve your safety and productivity, refer to our YouTube channel, AR HiPot.